In this video, I want to show you how to migrate files using the drag and drop feature. And Moodle feature only works with certain internet browsers. For example, Google Chrome, also Firefox. All of our teacher computers will have Google Chrome when it gets installed, so that would be the ideal thing to use for the drag and drop feature when we migrate files. But if you want to go ahead and do that now, you can use Firefox. All you have to do is log into your Moodle. I'm going to turn editing on, and then I'm going to use the sample unit for training. So once your editing is on, you're ready to receive the files. Then you would open up your My Computer or open up your U drive. And I'm just going to choose one of my files in my U drive. I'm going to choose Emergency Management. And there are three different ways that you can bring in files, migrate files into Moodle using the drag and drop feature. Simply click with your left mouse button, and drag it right over to where you want it, the unit that you want it in, and you see where it says Add Files here. Let go, it'll come right in. Another way to do this is by holding down the Control button and simply choose the ones that you want. So I'm going to click on 4 different files, and I'm going to let go of Control. Actually, I didn't hold that down properly. I chose 3, and then simply grab one of them, click, and drag right over into your Moodle. Or another way to do this is click on the first one, hold down Control and Shift, and then click on the last one. And that will highlight all of the files in between the first and the last that you clicked on. Let go of Control Shift, and then click and drag, and you're bringing all 11 files in at this time. So that's how you migrate files from your U drive over into Moodle using the drag and drop feature. Some of you, I know, have tried to simply bring over a whole folder. So for example, this folder called School Security, if I click and drag, it's not going to come into Moodle. Moodle it doesn't do that. But what you can do is add an activity or resource. Actually, it's a resource called folder. So if I wanted to create a folder where I put a lot of files in, click on Folder, click on Add, and now I'm going to name it School Security, and describe it School Security. Scroll down, and now we can use that same 3 types of different ways to migrate the files into this area here. I can bring them in one at a time. I can hold down Control and click on the ones that I want to bring in. So I have 4. I let go of Control, and I click and drag so I can bring 4 more documents in. Or I can click on the first one, hold down Control and Shift, click on the last one, let go of Control and Shift, and then bring them all over into here. And then I'm going to save and return to course. So either you can bring in files like this, or you can actually create a folder that has lots of files in it. So I'm going to turn editing off and show you. We have this folder called School Security. When I click on it, it's going to have all the different files in here that students can open up. So that's how you use the Moodle drag and drop to migrate files from your computer into Moodle. Hope that's helpful.